Hello, bro.
Hello, Mr. Parvendra. Hi.
Hi, how are you, bro?
Yeah, I'm too good, and how about you?
Even I'm good. So,
Okay.
what's your name?
Okay.
What's your
What's my
name?
name? Yeah. Okay. Now I
Yeah.
got it. Yeah, I'm Dev. From Telangana. I'm pursuing my graduation. Yeah.
Oh, your name is Dev,
Yeah, I'm Dev.
and you are from Telangana.
Yes, of course, I'm from
Oh,
Telangana. It's a
so you
southern
have.
part of India.
Oh, so yeah, yeah. So, have you completed graduation?
No, I'm just pursuing in second year.
This is your second year.
Yeah, this is my
Oh,
second year.
that's great. So, by the way, how old are you?
Yeah, I'm just 20. I'm
Are
just
you
20.
sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
But my
Uh,
age is 19 years old. Between
okay.
18 to 19, yeah, I'm
Yeah.
19 years old. But similar to
Okay.
your age and my age, very different. Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
Then yeah. Let me know about yourself too. What's your course and what's your studies?
Yeah. Actually, first of all, my name is Parvendra Kumar, and I belong to Uttar Pradesh. You know Uttar Pradesh very well, and you can say that Uttar Pradesh, UP. You can say that
Yeah,
UP. So
I know
yeah.
that.
Yeah. So my name is Parvendra Kumar and I belong to Uttar Pradesh and I had done 12th class in 2020. You know very well. Actually, this is my first year. I'm doing BHM, Bachelor of Hotel
Okay.
Management. I mean,
Okay.
I'm hotelier student, so just I have to need this language. So
Okay.
why are you learning this language? And you have any purpose?
Yeah. Behind this, there are many reasons. Okay, I will say. Yeah, of course, I will say. The main purpose is being as a student. I have to
Yeah.
learn English fluently. And in my college, I do you know that I'm from Telangana? My state language is Telugu, and
Yeah.
some people will speak Hindi too, but not more than Telugu. So in college, we have to use English, not any other language. Even though they
Oh.
know Telugu, they used to speak in English only, not even a single word of Telugu.
So you
Yeah,
have to teach language.
yeah, and
Yeah.
again the reason is in my class, if class is going on, while the class is going on, if I have any doubt, I have to express it in English only, not in Telugu.
Oh. You can your message express only English, but you can't express your mother tongue.
Yeah, because that does some people, some lecturers doesn't know that Telugu. They came from some people are came from other states, so that
Oh.
and again they are doctors. They
Yeah,
don't
but
use
yeah,
yeah,
English is a global language, and in
yeah,
whole the world,
yeah,
yeah. So that's why every
yeah.
person have to need this language.
And again, and there are many things. I'm going to done my BSc in 24. So if I don't know the English, I can't attempt the interview.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
I need fluency. And I need some knowledge upon grammatical part, upon English skills, communication skills, and I have again main most reason is I wanted to go abroad.
Oh, you want to go to abroad? Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, my purpose is also actually I want
Wow.
to also go abroad and America,
Okay.
British. Yeah, actually, whenever my college also completed, and first of all, I joined hotel industry, and
Okay.
I will get information to hotel how is hotel going on and how will run the your business. Actually, yes, I want to become a businessman. First of all, I will get information to hotel and how can you improve my pronunciation and the skills.
Uh,
So whenever that's complete, and I will go to abroad and a lot of earn money. I will a lot of
O-
earn money, and that's
Okay,
come
you
back.
want to earn money.
Yeah, but
Okay,
that's why I came to India.
okay. That's
Yes,
why you want to go to abroad.
yeah, yeah,
Okay. Those are reasons for you. These are reasons for me.
yeah,
And
yeah.
so,
First, then I will came in my at my India, so I will open our business. But I don't know only about to how can I how can I run my business. But I want to become a businessman. That's all. It is
okay,
my long term. You can say that it is my long term goal.
okay, you wanted to become a businessman after you.
Yeah.
Okay, after you grow up. That
So
even apart from my studies, I have also business arts to go and in that field, marketing field.
that's why you want to improve your English and
Yeah,
yeah, every person have to improve your English. Actually, whenever you go to outside and you can say that out of
yeah,
country and you can go somewhere, but you have to need English language. Every
yeah.
person and
Wherever you go, whatever you want, you have to use English if you are going out of your state or out
yeah,
of your country. If in India, if I go to other state, in that state we have to we should know the Hindi. So some people they doesn't know those who are migrated from other states to that state. So
yeah,
at that time, if we know English, we can interact with them.
yeah. It is very important.
Yeah.
But so by the way, how many siblings do you have? And you have any brother and sister?
Okay, you are asking me about siblings.
Yeah.
Okay, then we are four siblings, and I have a brother, and I have two sisters. They're
Uh,
elder than me. I'm the youngest one in my family.
you are oh,
Yeah,
so you are elder brother.
I'm the youngest one in my
Oh,
family.
youngest one. Oh, youngest. Oh, so, bro, you have any girlfriend?
Oh my God. No, I have no girlfriend. I don't have any girlfriend.
Oh, you don't have any girlfriend. But
Yeah.
I think so. But I think so. You are very handsome boy, but you don't have any girlfriend. Why? Why?
Oh my God. It's a gift from God. Yeah. And
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
haven't.
Actually, you are very. Yeah, but you
Actually,
are.
and the reason is until I get married, I won't choose any girl in my life. This is the
Oh,
reason.
this is
Yeah.
the reason. But you are very handsome. But many girls like you, but you don't like girls.
Yeah, in my college, in plus two, I have many.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't see about them.
Yes. Yes.
Uh, During my BSc also, I used to go to lab every day. So
Yes.
in that lab, we have apprentice students and again DMLT students and BSMLT students too. So I have a lot of chance to get a
Oh,
girl in that lab,
yeah.
and but I won't utilize them. Those chance I don't utilize those chance.
Yeah, your thinking is very your thinking is very different. But yeah, actually I don't have any girlfriend. But actually my dream also actually my thinking also changed, and I don't any want to girlfriend. But
Okay.
that whenever I have to job, I will earn a lot of money, and so that's why I think I will think. Yeah, right now I have a girlfriend, but yeah, right now very well. Yeah, I don't have any job, and you can say that I don't have any girlfriend, so that's why. Yeah, whenever I have a lot of money, so that yeah, yeah, that time I have a lot of money, so I
Yeah.
think I have a girlfriend. I will have a girlfriend.
Okay. After you getting some money, after you earning some
Yeah,
money, you will have a girl. as your girlfriend.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
I
I
think,
got it.
yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So nice to talk to you, and thank you for giving me
Uh,
opportunity. And
yeah, I felt so happy to have a conversation with you, Mr. Parvendra. I'm very
yeah,
glad. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So thank you for giving me opportunity. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.
Yeah, then bye.